Welcome back, everyone, ready to unlock true Excel mastery. Today, we're diving deep into one of those keyboard shortcuts that once you know it, you can't imagine living without it. Especially when working across a whole bunch of different sheets in a workbook.
hmm
This is about working smarter, not harder. Like real efficiency in Excel.
Yeah, I can get behind that for sure. Sometimes you spend way too much time just clicking around and
Okay.
getting lost and stuff,
Exactly.
and then you got to redo it because you messed it up.
Yeah.
So anything that can streamline it, I'm all ears.
Okay, so for this deep dive, we're going to be looking at some instructions about keyboard shortcuts, but specifically the one that's going to change your life. Control-Shift page down.
Oh, okay.
Just imagine, okay, you've got all your monthly sales reports or whatever on different sheets, and you need to grab data from all of them. Or maybe apply the same formatting across all the sheets.
Right.
Instead of clicking back and forth a million times, this magic little key combo does it all in one go. It's like,
Yeah. Oh, so I've got all these different departments, and every month I have to combine their sales reports. That is such a pain.
ugh, it's the worst.
It takes forever.
So this is where the shortcut comes in. You just hit Control-Shift page down, and it will select the next worksheet and all of its data
Mm.
along with the one you're on.
Mm.
So intuitive, right? It just moves to the right logically.
Yeah, that does make sense. But what makes this like so much better than just, doing it the regular way?
Well, I mean, just think about it. How many times you got to click and drag and select things the old-fashioned way?
Yeah, it's a lot.
It's so tedious. This way is lightning fast.
Sure.
Plus, it reduces errors. You're not going to accidentally miss a cell or a sheet or something like that.
Yeah, I guess I could see where it would be super useful for like applying formatting across sheets. I do that all the time.
Oh, yeah.
Or even just navigating through a huge workbook.
Hmm.
Sometimes I have workbooks with like 100 sheets.
Oh, my gosh. I'd be lost.
And just clicking through is such a pain.
Okay, so get this. There's a real-time example here.
Okay.
So let's say you are consolidating, I don't know, monthly sales reports, like you said,
Okay.
from 12 different sheets, one for each month.
Yep.
To create like a summary for the whole year, right?
Right, right.
Instead of manually copying and pasting data from each sheet, you just hit Control-Shift page down
Uh-huh.
a few times to select all 12 sheets.
Yeah.
You do your calculations on the summary sheet, and bam, you're done.
So you're telling me I could do like a whole year's worth of sales reports in like 5 seconds?
Maybe not 5 seconds, but definitely way faster.
Wow.
And think about if you're doing the same formulas on each sheet, right?
Yeah.
Like to calculate totals or percentages or whatever.
Mhm.
You can select all the sheets with a shortcut, enter the formula once, and it applies to all of them.
Really?
It's magic.
That's amazing.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, and here's a bonus tip. You can actually select multiple worksheets at once by just pressing Control-Shift page down multiple times.
Oh, so like hold Control Shift
You
and then
can
just
hit
keep tapping page down.
Uh-huh, to grab as many as you need.
Wow, that's even better.
I know.
So what if I want to go the other way?
Ah, great question. So for moving to the left, it's Control-Shift page up.
That makes sense.
Excel's really great about that. It uses consistent key combinations for similar actions.
It is.
Once you get the hang of a few, you start seeing the patterns everywhere. It makes learning new ones way easier.
Yeah.
So Control page down without the shift will just cycle you through the sheets
Mm-hmm.
without even touching the mouse.
I like that. No mouse.
Right.
More keyboard.
Keyboard shortcuts are the
Yeah.
best.
Yeah.
So to sum up, Control-Shift page down, your new best friend when it comes to working with multiple worksheets.
You can select all their data, use it with formulas, navigate left or right. Like you said, it really can save you a ton of time.
Exactly. Now that you know this, think about where you can apply it in your own work. Like, what tasks do you do in Excel that could be streamlined with this shortcut?
Yeah. If you find yourself constantly switching between worksheets, this is definitely one to master.
Absolutely. Well, on that note, we'll wrap up this deep dive. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.